one thing I truly believe when you're buying is you vote with your money, right? So I want to vote with my money in a company that is transparent, that I know exactly what I'm getting. And so with Wyyerd, if your bill is $65 a month, you're going to get a bill that says $65, 0.00. It's not, oh, we forgot about that tax and fee, and oh, we forgot about this data. We don't do any of that. So you really are getting what you paid for. And if you're not happy, you can pick up the phone and call them. We're going to try to make everything right at any point in time of being our customer. So with Wyyerd, you're getting a reliable product. So I know if I have to work from home, I know if I have to do my child's homework, I'm not gonna have to worry about, is my neighbor using the internet at the same time? Do I have to worry about somebody watching a movie while I can work? It's reliable. You're getting what you pay for. It's upload and download speeds. And I didn't even know what that meant until I started working here. And I'm like, oh, downloading is when I'm trying to play a video and I don't ever have to see a buffer again. So I like that buffer-free reliability. Working for Wyyerd has been a really cool experience just because I'm in marketing, right? So you get to look through reviews and see good, bad, indifferent, that we're always gonna respond back. And I think the people that come in to work here want to do the right thing always. And it's part of our motto, do the right thing, do the right thing. Talk to people like you talk to your family member. And I know every day I go to bed thinking like I did the right thing today, and I stand by a company that wants to do the right thing always. So that's it. I mean, consistency, transparency, reliability, great customer service, and people that really, really care about the work that they're doing here. I would vote with my money, right? And I would choose Wyyerd.